Must be the reason why Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, it's Ashley. If you're not, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing Get Ready with Me. I'm not like super awesome with makeup, so don't judge my makeup techniques. Look at this cute little girl. I already showered. I'm just in my PJs because I don't know what outfit to wear. So we'll do that later. Let me go try to look like a decent person. Okay guys, so let's begin. This lighting is bomb. I sprayed this on a couple minutes ago. It's the Mario Goo skincare. It's like a little moisturizer thing. But yeah, it's really good. I sprayed this on a couple minutes ago. And then I'm gonna use the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is just to kind of hydrate your face. Make it all nice and smooth for your makeup. Okay, so I'm using cheap foundation because the foundation I used to have, which was Stella, something like that, it ran out. So I'm just mixing. I mixed this Clinique CN28. I'm bad at this. Whatever. I mixed this one with the CoverGirl that I bought at Walgreens to get my color because I'm broke and I can't afford foundation right now. But before I do that, I always do my concealer, and people judge me for this, but I just feel like it's whiter and it looks weird if I use it after. So I use the Pro Conceal LA Girl, the light ivory color. So good. This is the one that I use. I do this first and then I go with my foundation. Don't judge me. So for concealer, I do under my eyes. Then I do some on these little spots that I have because they suck. I'm gonna be looking over here because this is where my mirror is. So this is my conceal. This is how I conceal myself. Then I use my beauty blender and I just get in there. Then after I get in there and dab that in, I put on my foundation. Wow, I already look cute. I don't need nothing else. But I'm still gonna continue. So as I said before, I mix those two, and then I get this much foundation, and I just put it all over my face. So this is what I do, right? Usually people apply it with some brush, and I do that sometimes, but I'm like too lazy today. So this is what I do. I just put it everywhere. A whole bunch of dots on my face. Cool. And then I have this e.l.f. packet of brushes. I don't know the name because it was a gift and it's not like the packet brings a name, but I use this foundation brush. I just like all over my face. But yeah, now that my foundation is done, I go in with my bronzer. I'm using this cheap bronzer from Primark, but it does its work, and it was $4. Sometimes I use the NYX Wonder Stick. It's really good, but I'm just not in the mood to deal with the stick today. When I'm in a hurry, I use the powder. And I got this cheap Primark bronzer. Girl, $4 and it still does the same work that a $20 bronzer gonna do for you. You feel me? Balling on a budget. So I usually do my cheekbones, as you can see, and also my forehead. Okay, so now that I'm all bronzed up, I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills, shout out to my sister, glow kit. So this is for the highlight, which you do on the cheekbones, the nose, a little bit on the forehead. Sometimes when you have like a little not crop top, off the shoulder, put a little bit here, you oh glowy girl. So I use the NYX highlight brush. Ooh, girl. Today I'm just gonna stick with the light ones. So a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Ooh. While I do my highlight, let's listen to this verse. Pretty little fish. I'm living your life, vulnerable, letting your guard down, it's honorable, especially when the past ain't been that friendly to you, but there's magic in that. You the flower that I gotta protect, to keep alive in the wintertime. Hey, don't you die yet, you've been way more than a friend of mine. So after I'm done with that, I don't really do my eyebrows because, as you could tell, they're naturally real bushy and I don't really need it. Maybe like those little spots where like my hair doesn't grow, but ain't nobody got time for that, so they stay like this. Then the last step is mascara for these babies. I use the Clinique one, High Impact Mascara, and the Clinique Lash Doubling Mascara. I kind of just dab both of them up in there and it works for me. So, ooh, you see my acne low key? I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. I'm gonna do this while I look in the mirror because I just can't. Okay. Now that my lashes are done, I finish off with a dewy finish setting spray from NYX. I'm waiting for the beat. I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gas, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gas, oh, bust down, Tatiana. I look like a human being. I wanna see you face, baby. Yeah, I'm every woman's fantasy. My lipstick is gone, girl and guys, because you know some guys hopefully are watching this. I'm broke and I need more makeup. But let me tell you, I got this in rainbow. I never seen somebody ball so hard on a budget. The cutest gloss, $2 rainbow. I could front and say it's fancy. No, let me stop. Anyways, this is my hair. This little bun back here. I'm gonna put my clip-ins because a girl cannot go outside looking like this. But I don't have time to like get an outfit and finish off with you guys because I gotta go to class. But thank you guys for getting ready with me and seeing my awful makeup techniques. If you really want to learn how to do makeup, don't watch me. This was just for the fun. People were asking for it, so this is how I do my makeup. It's awful. Worst makeup tutorial ever. But yeah, thank you guys. Love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. Hope you guys all have a great day. Go get yourself some Coronas. Celebrate this Monday, Sunday.